Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Behance portfolio as a PDF. So first of all, you need to come here on Behance and then sign in into your account. Now over here, you just have to hover over to the top and simply just click on the option of Behance profile. Now over here in the work section, you are going to see the projects that you have created. So you need to simply click on the project in order to open it. So simply just launch the project that you want to save as PDF, just like I did over here. Now here, in order to save this as a PDF, Behance doesn't currently provide you a dedicated download as PDF option. Even if you try to save it, you are not going to see the option over here. Instead, you can use your browser's built-in print feature in order to save the project as a PDF. For that, you just have to simply press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard and you are going to see this type of PDF print format in front of you. So as you can see, this is my project that I have created, and now it is showing me my project in the PDF format. So you need to simply select the destination, select the pages, you select the layout and select the color, and simply click on the option of print. You can also just click on this drop down menu and select the option of save as PDF, and then you can click on the option of save. Select that particular section on your device where you want to save the file, and this way this particular project of yours will be saved as a PDF. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.